You don't do that with the cat food. Alex, no. 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 Did you learn your lesson? Do you want to come out of timeout? Do you want to come out of timeout now? If you go right back to that cat food, so help you God.